At all times, there is an average of more than 10,000 aircrafts in the air. To be able to execute the air traffic of today in a safe and secure way, we depend on having the leading products and cutting-edge technical solutions. Our main task is to lead the development of this to also secure the aviation of tomorrow. Indra Navia sets the standard for lifetime value in communication, navigation, and tower solutions for the world's leading airports and air navigation service providers. More than 1,200 airports around the world rely on our products and services. At an airport, a large amount of equipment is needed to allow operations to be carried out successfully. In order to reduce the probability of accidents, it is now required that masts that might be hit by an aircraft are frangible to the greatest extent possible. NORMARC Frangible Masts by AmpliSafe is a product family of frangible aluminum masts that can be used in many different applications, including approach lights, antennas, and meteorological equipment. Designed, built, and certified to withstand harsh environments, such as the Norwegian coastline, these masts are the essence of endurance in tough conditions. Deep in the forests outside of Oslo, we find the developer of AmpliSafe, Normeka. Owned by Indra Navia, Normeka is our pioneer within production of aluminum products. With customers around the globe, Normeka is today a world-leading manufacturer of masts and other types of equipment for the aviation industry. AmpliSafe is manufactured in a fully digitalized production line, focusing on precision and efficiency. The extensive experience, the dedicated employees, and the continuous investments in market-leading equipment allows Normeka to offer the reliability of delivery that we need. Even after the lights have been switched off in the afternoon, the robots keep the production going throughout the night. Based on our calculation of wind and strength load, as well as the area of usage, we customize the masts. They can be delivered both in triangular and square modules for various heights and lifting capabilities. The masts are equipped with both solid and hinged foundations based on the height. Tall masts can be fitted with hinged plates between the sections to easily lower the mast for maintenance. NORMARC Frangible Mast by AmpliSafe is an excellent choice when choosing new equipment. The strength of the design, combined with the low weight and non-corrosive properties, make the mast durable and maintenance-free for decades. With Indra Navia as the supplier, you can count on acquiring the best solutions now and in the future. Indra Navia, at the forefront of innovation.